Welcome to the class. This class is meant for the 10th class students. Okay, let's begin our class. Here is the problem. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, AD is equal to 2 centimeters, DB 6 centimeters, AC 12. Then what is AC?
DE parallel to BC, AD 2 centimeters 2, DB 6 centimeters 6, AC 12, AC 12. Then what is the AE? AE value is equal to means X. The remaining values from the total, remove the X. 12 minus X. We can apply BPT. What we can write? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay, AD value is equal to how much? 2 by 6 here. AD by DB 2 by 6, AE by EC X by 12 minus X. Okay, apply cross multiplication. Okay, so 2 into 12 minus X is equal to 6X. 2 into 12 is equal to 24 minus 2x is equal to 6x. 24 is equal to 6x minus 2x transpose plus. So 2x is equal to 8x. X is equal to 24 by 8. 8 ones are 8. 3 is value of x is equal to 3 centimeters. Okay.
Option B is correct. In the given figure, angle ADE equal to angle ABC, then x is equal to dash.
Given in the problem, angle ADE is equal to ABC. These two angles are equal. These two angles are equal, then these two lines are parallel. Because these are corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. So we can apply BPT. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. We can write AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by x. So 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by x. Apply cross multiplication. Then 2 into x is equal to 2x. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Value of x is equal to into 2 transpose by 9 by 2 is equal to 4.5 centimeters.
So option D. Okay, the next problem. Let's see how to solve it.
If in triangle ABC and DEF, AB by DE is equal to BC by FD, when triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, now here are the options and diagram. Here given clearly AB by DE in this triangle side 1, in this triangle DE side 1. These are proportion. Next BC by FD, BC side 2 by FD side 2. We know using of SAS similarity, two sides included angle. So this is side 1, this is side 2. What is the included angle here? Angle B. In here side 1, side 2. What is included angle? Angle D. So angle B is equal to angle D. Option C is correct.
Okay, let's go for next problem. In an equilateral triangle ABC, if AD is perpendicular to BC, then
Given ABC is an equilateral triangle, so all sides are equal A. AD is a perpendicular line to the BC that divides into two equal parts. Right? So total is A, so this is A by 2 and this is also A by 2. Okay, we can apply Pythagoras theorem for this triangle which is right triangle. What is the triangle here? ADB. In triangle ADB, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. What is hypotenuse here? A whole square is equal to one side is equal to a by 2 and the second side is equal to we don't know, that is called here AD. Okay, trans a whole square is equal to a square. Here a whole square by 2 whole square equal to 4 AD square, right? Transpose plus transpose minus AD square minus a square by 4 is equal to AD square. No denominator, 1. LCM is 4. 4 into a square is equal to 4a square minus 1 into a square equal to a square is equal to AD square. Okay, 4a square minus a square is equal to 3a square by 4 is equal to AD square. By transpose into 3 into a square is equal to 4 AD square. Okay, here a is equal to, you can apply any side, either AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to, we have taken A, so A place you can write as AB. So 3 into AB square is equal to 4 into AD square. So option B is correct. Given ABC similar to triangle DAF, given these are the sides, two triangles are similar, we can apply the rule angles are equal or sides are proportional. Here not asked about the angles, so we have to use sides are in proportion. So what are the sides here? First side by first side. First side AB by here DE is equal to second side by second side BC by EF. Sides are proportion. Here AB value by DE is equal to how much given? 2AB. 2AB is equal to BC is equal to 8 centimeters. What is EF? We don't know. Make it as X. Okay, here AB cancel, so 1 by 2 is equal to 8 by X. Okay, apply cross multiplication. X is equal to 2 into 8 is equal to 16 centimeters.
Option D. Note down the problems, practice them. Okay, then go for the next bit. If in two triangles ABC and DEF, AB by EF is equal to BC by DE is equal to AC by FD, then
Till the problem we discussed, if similar triangles are given, we have written their proportion. But here proportion is given, we have to write its triangles. Let's see how can we write. First one is AB by EF. Okay, na? First one AB by EF. So this is called AB. This is EF. First side, right? Side 1, let's write. Next, second one BC by DE. So let's write the remaining ones. A, B is here. Third one automatically C triangle. Next here DEF triangle. E already completed, F completed. So this is called D. Now let's write the remaining sides proportion also. BC by DE. This is called BC side 2. Next here DE. DE is equal to side 2. Now the remaining is AC by FD. AC by FD. AC here side 3. Here this is side 3. Okay students. Now you can write its similarity. Let's write here triangle ABC similar to which triangle? Here angle A is between the angle side 1 and side 3. Now side 1 and side 3 between angle is equal to F. So F. Now B angle is between side 1 and side 2. So here side 1 and side 2 between angle is E. Next third one, angle C is equal to between side 2 and side 3, right? So side 2 and side 3 angle is D. So D. So triangle ABC similar to triangle FED.
Triangle ABC similar to triangle FED. Option C correct. Note down the problem, then go for the next one. Okay.
Now in this problem we have to write similar triangles based on the angles. Previous problem we have written based on the sides proportion. Here based on the angles we have to write its sides. Here what are for all the options given FGH only. So let's start with triangle FGH similar to which triangle? Here first one angle F. Angle F is double angle given here. So it is K. Next G angle as single, that is called I. Third one automatically angles are equal vertically opposite angles, so both are H only. So FGH similar to KIH, so option C is correct. Okay.
Option C correct. Note down the problem, practice that, then go for the next one. Okay. A line joining midpoints of sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and half of it. DE parallel to BC and DE is equal to half of BC. Next problem. DE are the midpoints of sides AB and AC. Then BC is equal to 4 centimeters. Then DE is equal to how much?
Well,
Okay.
given in the problem, in triangle ABC, DE are the midpoints. Here D is a midpoint, E is also a midpoint. A line joining midpoints of a sides is definitely parallel to third side and half of it. Means DE is equal to half of the BC. Here BC value equal to how much given? 4 centimeters. So DE value definitely half of the BC. For half of the BC means 4 by 2 is equal to 2. DE is equal to half of the BC. Half into BC value 4. 2 ones are 2 twos. So value of DE is equal to 2 centimeters.
So option A is correct. If DE
Thank
are
you for
the
watching.
midpoints
Catch you in
of
next video.
sides AB and AC, DE is equal to 4 centimeters. What is BC? Here are the options.
Given in the triangle ABC, DE are the midpoints. So if we join a line, DE length is half of the BC. From the midpoint theorem, DE length is equal to half of the BC. But DE value given 4 centimeters, then what is the BC? DE value given 4 is equal to half of the BC. By 2 transpose into 4 by 2 is 4 by 2 transpose into 4 2s are is equal to 8 is equal to BC. So BC value we get as 8 centimeters.
Thank you for watching. Catch you in next video.